early as this Thursday, May 28, plunder and malversation charges will be filed against Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Ombudsman Boying Remulla revealed in a press conference this Tuesday that the case against Estrada is just about done.
Ang pinakamalapit na, hinug na, at pipirmahan ko maya-maya yung information against Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Information to be filed with Sandigan Bayan in the soonest possible time. Hopefully Thursday, we will file it first thing in the morning.
Asked about the nature of the case, Remulla said this is in connection with offenses related to the flood control scandal. Remulla explained that the filing had been slightly delayed after they reviewed the Department of Justice's resolution and found portions that needed correction and refinement.
Kaya na medyo natagalan ng konti, nung binasa namin yung DOJ resolution, meron kami nakitang kailangan ng corrections. Kaya ayaw namin mag-file ng information na hindi pulido. Pinulido lang namin, kaya inabot pa ng mahigit sa linggo na pinag-aaralan at inaayos yung mga dapat ayusin para mas malinaw yung kasong ilalahad natin sa Sandigan Bayan.
Remulla also disclosed that Estrada has co-accused in the case, although some of them have already turned state witnesses. Aside from Estrada, Senator Joel Villanueva is also facing charges tied to the flood control scandal, though there's still work to be done on the acting majority leader's case.
Meron pa kaming tinatapos rin at talagang madaling panahon, mapafile na rin namin yung kay Senator Joel Villanueva. Yan ang isang hilog na rin, ngunit kinakailangan kasi puliduhin ang gusto yung pagkakalahad ng impormasyon at ng ebidensya.
In his privileged speech at the Senate on Monday, Marcoleta implied that majority senators are now being targeted, which the ombudsman quickly tweeted.
If the intention of these cases is to silence me, let me say this at the very beginning. It has failed. I will not be silenced.
I do not want to get into the political mix of it kasi ito napakalinaw naman yung kaso niya. Napakalinaw. Yung lahat ng ebidensya dito galing din sa kanya. Sa sinasabi niya sa COMELEC, sa mga kanyang pag-amin. Hindi naman ito imbento eh.
At the request of Remulla, the Sandigan Bayan has issued a precautionary whole departure order against Marcoleta and 3 others. Meantime, on the sidelines of the plenary session, Senator Estrada was asked about the looming case against him.
If this is the price that I have to pay for standing on my own principles of what I believe in, so be it. Basta ang alam ko, sabi ng LGU, wala akong extension, makatulad ng sinasabi nila. Yung binulgar ni Bryce Hernandez sa house na meron ako insertion. Wala silang record na ako ay may insertion.
Remulla also said that aside from senators, his office have also meted out sanctions against several government officials.
Marami kami pinaperso na kaso dito. Kaya lang, syempre ang public interest na rin dito sa flood control at sa nangyayari sa bansa at nangyayari sa Senado at sa Kongreso.
Remulla then revealed that they are also preparing cases against former House Speaker and late Representative Martin Romualdez.
Meron na kaming dalawa pang kasong hinahanda tungkol dyan. Meron kaming isa pang money laundering case mabigat. At of course, yung the grandest case of them all, itong pinakamabigat na kaso dyan, the conspiracy to defraud the treasury. Yun talaga yan, sa pamamagitan ng budget. First time ito gagawin sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas na magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong klaseng kaso.
Kapatid Arles de los Santos, we are One News.